A guy kanyana wunye na a guy obro wunye a girl on a chain no in 2 weeks time hana drive from burial put an easy accident. Emel accident the guy over the guy moto. A accident who put the girl shift to from that hospital AJ paid this girl what the guy the condition from that hospital the guy never came back. The guy printed up HNG card, HNG wedding card. No one else with the whole arrangement. People are asking love. What is love? Your mother I chat 2 times so they go again all love. What you must your love? You must your love. Come rain, come sunshine. The first time I experienced love in my life was when the 21 good years. 21 years. Edi enwele just even na cutting can na ato na ana ege solum na alalo na ana ege lunch na window nwete ode nombia na ikuku mpili nombia kpọ ya na phone enwele bed enwele anything nwa ya solum di na eli na ana mwe bido my life. That is love. But when that love will be tested, the girl will pass on the test. That means the love ended. Oh, I am coming and the story I continue. But you have to move on. You can move on. So this thing in Afuna Beach, many people are water beach. Some people are saying, I love your content. I love it. Nabia come about me content too. And I make content. Because people malum from the past know who I am. I want to learn and with people malum from childhood. I grew up with people. I have a community of people that I know that know me. And when they malum with a different name, and I've always just been different. I did go meet from Mbempe, we're looking at this age. Boldness saying I've or something, someone off from one place. Experience is part of the making, and the grace in where can their life would in fact on everything body. In fact, everything would the motivation. In fact, many people want to be in the position to say things, but they are not alive today. And when many people not in the position, even though Hakadu are alive, are not in the position to say this, but many things are not considered, they cannot say it. You will lose a lot of friends if you want to be like this. Iti the kabish, iti the outspoken, iti the bold, iti with target, iti the different, no what. You will lose many friends from all the corners of the world. Are you ready to lose friends? Iti please your woman, iti please your man. You will lose a lot of things. Equal yourself with. How many people are ready to compromise those things? In most time, you can say, hey, you have the control, no. Find yourself first. Was there something in there for your own joy? This thing be in there for my own joy. Baby, it doesn't affect you. My guy, it doesn't affect you. Ian as affect. You and person go there, you not go sour together. Again, a mother no go sour. Una no go sour together. You deal with person, you go sour together. The time I know Nime, all when accuse you, all the people when Hana Zakoba, Nime, all of them, and where's your friends with each other. But everybody were friends before outside. Everybody was together outside. Everybody was living together, doing business together. Obakwa banime, onye tisheba. Onye ana abia zero onye visit ona say ona agwazi onye na abia ya visit abia na alege nwa visit. The same man gina ha na emeka iye enwe do ugba everybody asigi everybody on their own. If you never realize it today, it can just in eme onwe gi. I pity the younger generation. I pity every person from 30 years down. I'm on why in the circle those age. I pity them. All of you people who have the access to internet. When I was 21 years, I had all on the internet. I knew why all night. I ran on the street all night. from club to club, street to street. When I was 21 years, I was not this opportuned and wanted such information. I am on the year with internet. Yeah, I but on Facebook. I post one picture. We don't even check the comments. Or the 2008, 2009. We are not here. We are not opportuned like you guys. Today now, even all the fat that is given to you now, but you don't want to. You just can jump on There will be a time that you will seek for this word. I pray that you will not be in a very bad condition. Many of you are listening to me now. If you go magistrate, na that case case you life sentence that case. Many of you people in a country, everything in abulo legitimate. Had man ni nebo abulo magistrate if I find you guilty, thank you for the gift. You find the guilty niya good your sentence. One I go look 40 years. I go look 40 years. No eligible. It do eligible for parole. 40 years with good character, 1.5 year, 20 years. Oh, many people know inside for this. Many people know now 2 life inside today. They were looking for this opportunity now to listen to this word and say, "Can the decision make? Who are the people that surround you? Can you make a decision of your life?" So many of you people are blogging want to make your decision for yourself. Until you take that charge to make that decision for yourself, you are not, in fact, no longer in existence in this world. Many of you people, when people now control your mindset, and everything is just somebody's permission that you are living under. You may live with somebody's permission and you think you can exist in this world forever. Shiko. We have to be, I need in the free to have our opinion. I need in the free to make a good judgment. Somebody the good begging so a good influence, but take some truth for a bad influence. And when the days are dark, when the days are rough, those people, if you substitute to the good people, they will not be with you. Yes. You have a problem today, my guy. As I'm talking to you now, you have a problem. The first 1 week, you have a problem. People will come to the hospital for you. You have a problem. The first 1 week, people will come to your prison for you. The next 2 weeks, people will come. The next 3 weeks, people will come. One sentence for 10 years, 15 years. You lose your friends. You begin to lose a lot of things. You begin to lose a lot of things. You begin to lose people, contact. People will replace you outside very easy and very fast. Even how replaceable as a person. It's just a maluche nampo buelo mwigi. Even how replaceable as a partner munye yibu munye mother na mother jai. Even how replaceable Did I name a perialicana na emechi achono motherson? Yes. Friends, background, the flag bastard. It began a pop and everything. One boom, a bawicha. I'm a gogezoku. Friends, you may gash rank you to 1. My guy, do a map on a window, mine on street, map on a window. Well, boss, or well, but my guy, you know. When I name my guy, a boldness nana. From 6-story building, going as well, mapo. Dinner Lizie nana. Hey, one the more they making a car. One of my guy in a kumen do happy. One the more wa. When you were not yet after 2 weeks, you were not yet. Oh, more one a feature on yalo. More one a features my guy, his own brother, a feature yalo. Omo wane meche kotezi mwanya ki my guy ono na wichi ya mwanya abia me service ke oge mezikoni big boy tochelo ogonogo gba today now upper iron upper oh my guy How many people will be with you on your down moment? Any day, if you carry the more every time in the show with you know, if you want to dimpa, if you want to asai maka on your down moment. How many people will stay by your side? Don't deceive yourself in this world. We are all replaceable. In fact, it water the state of human nature. It water the nature of the people. That is why you have to align with this movement I make today. His own brother could not clean him. More want to clean my guy on a wheelchair. I'm a my guy. Mbuzie n'enoche, mbuli ba na toilet, ndoli na toilet, oje toilet, mficha nyike. Mficha nyike, mwa ye goteli anwulu, mwa ya amachili anwulu, mwa ye goteli enni, mwa na man. Mwa ye butekwe nwanya, obukwe ne how gear. Me butekwe li nwa malumma because the guy all like a nwanya malumma. Yes. Nobody was there. Nsizi a guy na one come on the street, you know, my guy beba akwa. Bishi alafuzim, bishi alafunanamo. Okwa somo ya no. Mbupti na balcony. One na kuna na balcony. Sometimes nap this guy, now about to step, now about to na lift. I drop tears, just drop I am milli. We have to understand. Okay, flow one is either you are making impact or inner support to the impact. You are indirectly making the impact. Support or your name here. I'm not just doing a content for you people. I'm not doing a content for anybody. People that they are standing with you today. People that stood with you, they are the only people that they can be proud that they can call themselves your friends. Every person now, your down moment, those are the people that can boast and say, I was there for you. People now be a visit just to see my nature. Come on and lose weight. Kamali hage jopunilo. I be will tell you 1 bottle of Coke, but take 1 plate of rice. So many of them are na nyane buteli mu. Nyangu ine buteki ine bi me mba ni me mboli ebi ndi obodo. Some people na abia visit n'ime just kamali your nature ka wa chi ayote. Enwezi ndị nke na bish nna nwa gị nwaanya na ezikwo ndị na-apịa nwa gị nwaanya. Na ezikwo ndị na-apịa nwa gị ọkụ. Chief, darling. Chief, thank you so much. We are all replaceable. Hey, Chief Odogu. Chief Kekime. Well, thank you so much. Thank you, Chief. Dalo. Na animal kunobi. Hey, na Chief Abasam. Thank you, my brother. Thank you, senior man. I respect, Chief. I respect. Yes. If the support, guys, just I'm talking to you people because so many people thinking so many things I never babo content. If you put another content you content. So many everybody with history, everybody got primary school, everybody got secondary school. Only just map from nowhere. You understand? In a problem today. Gentle, thank you so much, my brother. Thank you. In a problem today. I'm telling you, that problem last year for 6 months. Your people, your circle of people, I get decrease, the loan too. We are all replaceable. So afuzine your beauty, afuzine how handsome it, afuzine how cute it. Always surround yourself. No one person kinwe. Some of you people now just blue bunch of people pack Joe. My guys, that will be your guy. Jesus Happens to go through fire and water with you. It must be all my guy. Oh my guy. On we post me. I nke everybody ala. You know me your mother patag moya. There was a time on Patana Street where we came to a meeting. We see the best, in short, the highest guy not there. He's a very rich man. We see I want Nebiko at a monfuki meeting or some no problem. Jetili and Amotie. I went on Amotie. We say when you see Egunina and at web we gauge me party. Because name of people on a street really new. The guy will go me obam. The guy was Simona. Niyane meba abolo for those people. People will give you alcohol. People get give him wire. People get give him. People get give him blue milk. People get give him ntwana aponimi. People get give him acid pepper. You open an ango on omanyemugi ye get make it succeed in life. Ashiko. A lot of them buy for junk in the street today. And when they now walk up on the street, it will after 400, after 300. Be and I came up on junk. See, I want to add edge down here. Will edge down with you. What I kill you after 300, will you buy any moon? Bobu any moon? Yes. Mbembelo Budovo, my guy. Onion Josu, like yam. Don't be, in fact, I'm going to now mother like again. Now mother like again. Now mother like a gabble opportunity ni wolum de ginyonya won like a gige bugi mala why you were like again. You go question why do you like me? Do you want the cage were like am? My guy obutezi lawyer we nwo o na ebulu mo we ba na akosans ebulu mo je dia abia akuna no eke icho onye ga ego no ya bi ma akuna mo anola na anwo mmanya obokwala ma like lo nwan abokwa me sent. But mo mgbe amadi curious mgbe obuna ị na-enye m ihe inyewe m ihe na ndị agụ that na agụbu om. Yes, obulu nwan agbago mu analo na anwo mmanya opụta osima afa nsi ana m atagokwo osim sharp nsi yes na osimu na mu mbia onye m ego onye na-eje enye ego egelu na-eje enye ego close to ebe anyị bi egre wiye billion ya mana the guy na anwụ ọgwụ mana ya anwụ anara anwụ ọgwụ mgbe onye a na-anwụ ikpelu ọkpụ ya joint ya niile bụ ụzọ gbajiche nsi onye isi ka ihe na-emezi osimu na odogwu na anazikwa na ilu wee kụkpọ agba wee kụkpọ nwoke ọnụ wee gbaa line go eze wee malite enu ana eze niile wee chịkọ nwanne gaman dozieli ndị be anyị gbali ọsọ big boy nọ na street big boy mala akpa afia big boy onye ji ezigbo ego onye a na-anụ afia na the whole South Africa Pretoria. Yes, he was once my godfather. Yes. Ozugbo na anwụ ozugbo eche dị ka ọnwụcha anwụ dade ọ na anwụ ka na apali ozugbo over akọchagokwa akụkọ ya. You are replaceable. I am replaceable. Na ọ bụ na mmadụ na the world nọ n'ime. The people with jolly people ga just enjoy ya gị mgbe ahụ na pop champagne mgbe ahụ mma gị na just mgbe ahụ ịkwacha with on. There will be a time that you will really need that support. A lot of people playing with the support. Somebody go I'm na depression ebugia. A woman go I'm not on immune for more than 2 months. No on immune on a bakwa. Ego the everything but no one joy. It's either in this life is either you are the perpetrator or you are the victim. And when you're not in between, sheko. When you are victim, say go give from that victimhood. Give your voices, support or your name. I was once a victim. Yeah, for now, your name, love. Hey, me go happy I go mad. So I am in a case a treat yesterday. Case I want a treat. I'll be at the very I'll be at the in disguise. Akugo mwanyi ogo no puta ogo no nwanne nwoke ma family lie ego ogo no nko nwanyi ihe njikwa ekwolo ogo no ka inwe privacy nne ka muna gị na akpa because mgbe muna gị meet gị na family gị bi unu lile ego m mana akụpụ mu I invested. It's a money. It's a lot of money. Mogo property, everything. my fridge, my TV, my generator, whatever. So many people life in a live today is just the thing generated that life of your yesterday. People don't know your decision making. And why you decide they're not living or not. You are marrying that man, but nobody knows why you decided to marry that man. You are marrying that woman today, nobody knows why you decided I cannot do that. Need the single today, nobody knows why you decide to be single. Everybody seems to judge you, but Malana, at the end of the day, me and you were alone in this world. Form an ally, form a big ally for yourself. First of all, protect yourself, your self-dignity. Even when that dignity, you cannot be of any value to any person. In a time where people shower value, first of all, the way your presentation matters a lot. You have to summon that boldness to go and say, energy money. Why? In here, one or two reasons. Now, like I choose my friends, I don't let my friends choose me. I choose my friends. I don't let my friends choose me. I appreciate you for choosing me. I like you for choosing me. But I will not be available when you need me. Mandimo available. When you call me, you don't see me replying. Somebody can know my WhatsApp number. Or when say, okay, I cannot deal with this. With all due respect, my guy, you might be here. I have to block him. I'm sorry. I cannot deal with it. I mean, multiple messages. Because people need to see my page. People need to see my page. I'm can get you opposite the number. I just leave it there. And I better direct to my DM. And I said to this guy, message didn't receive. Okay, let's be here. Let's be here, let's be talking. This guy, the things all lamented to me, I become so much. In fact, this is guilty of my own action. The day Jim I keep will say, no. That availability of can will make here our friendship go where the so enticing and so so fruitful and productive and available. That day I was not there. I gave you a supporting message. It's not enough for you. If we go me will no be. How can I comprehend? Can you comprehend such attitude? You have to have people that will understand you for who you are. Until you find somebody that will understand you for who you are. You are not available because something have taken your energy away. I understand you, my guy. I'm not judging you, my girl. In fact, I'm not despising you. I'm not criticizing you. I'm not taking your matter to people. I'm not saying that you are feeling pride and pompous and whatever. Until you find such people, those are the type of energy you need around you. Madi ga apụ aside with the negative energy n'ilu ọbata or blue that negative before mali na asị neke ye na eme mgbe ọbụna negativity that negativity will influence you. That negativity will influence you. Yes, I'm a date again, not even travel. Na talk me travel. Mgbe no na Nigeria. Ozugbo na nweta visa I say nne na ngelekwe moto mo. Na I will sell my car. Diga sim ke ihe na elelu moto m. Na enwele otu ọzọ ngechi were ezinwe ego. Nsi nne nne ezigodo ego mala doba moto ebe a. Onwele onye ga na anya. Diga sim na ndị selfish. And na nle moto na odizi show na money ya ga akụ. Nne o maka moto ka iji like am ka maka mo nwa ka iji like am. We say so imamba nkeke we bia na afum imamba nkeke osimo mba no mamba nkeke. What would my friends say? Kedi my friends ge ekwu ya bụ the answer nwete from somebody nne ya bụ onye njego obi a with all due respect onye anugodi now. Congratulations to her onugodi. But all the knock onye reveal can you see where water that type of love? Yeah, but somebody money I know from Friday. Every Friday I may pick you up from school. From Friday on I know the Sunday evening, Monday morning they drop one at school. Is it the type of love? I was convinced 100% no love. What I know with me from Friday to Sunday to Monday morning. What type of deceptive love is this? A lot of people get deceptive love. They will be available with you, but their heart are far away. Why do you like me? Why do you love me? Is a very, very intelligent question. Many people don't want to ask it because they try to put people off. Say, what do you mean? I don't want to put it. What do you mean? Why do you love me? So can guess what is incapable love until in Chose can lay the motto. Can the girl no man make him go up with me or no like this saying or man ba keke we be put them. That relationship was just like that. But it could not stop me because I'm a mebe naga. Immediately me travel, the person did do we me here. Nekezi hecho. Support meba because I me content. Guy and me content. Able one in a watch man I me content. I tell you life stories. And we go more Babatani me court meet a magistrate. Magistrate say, Mr. Man, if I find you guilty, I'll give you 40 good years. Alabam. Yeni na ne kogani lon ne menka. You begin to understand. I hope you understand. The English. Magistrate the English. Enwele interpreter. Enwele Igbo interpreter n'ime court. Enwele onye banyi we interpreter. Sige nwanna. Osikwa na enwetego gi. Na find kwa gi. Ni iwu na ịdakwa iwu a. But na ekpe gi ikpe we find ya gi n'ime jolu n'eziokwu. Na aga atụkwa gi 14 n'ime ala agba gi. Ịnọzieli n'ime. Mgbe ya nọzi n'ime. Ifuzie mgbe a na-eje line ka eje kitchen. Ifuzie ndị be anyị. Ifuzie nwa ma ome. Ifuzie boy nwa ma. Abụrụ m nwa ma ome from the beginning of the world. Oh help come. Ifuzie nwa ma ome ịbata n'ime for once. Etu ka o si emezi. Ha! Si nwanna abịa. Aduma ama lofta ụmụ ma ome na line. Ewulo ebe anyị. Nwanne iwu ebe anyị mkpọpụta gị na line. Ewu nwa ma ome. Mkpọrọ nje tii na sel. Mkpọ ọgwọ ga-eti gị na sel wofu onye ọzọ tii gị na sel ka ị nọrọ m nso ka iwe ka aka ka iwe kwa akpọ. Enyegolu m ndị be anyị aka mgbe m kwesịrị inyere ndị be anyị aka. Enwebe onye be anyị mfu n'ime m enyelelu aka n'ụwa. I help our people to navigate. I help our people. I so much love our people. People are my law. If nwa ma ome fine boy, or maybe ime but batala obodo ọ na-eme street, ị na-eme street as nwa ma ome. Mana ekelizi gige nwa nwa ma ome ị na-ejezi kitchen etu ka isi emezi ndị obodo na-ajụ gị ịgba aka n'azụ. Na move. Mpọpụta gị. Ntizie gị na sel. Emechem create a place for ndị be anyị in a particular na-agụ Bible na-ekpeli ndị be anyị ekpele na-enyeva hope because mgbe ahụ amara m na m emeche pụta. I don't know. Enwe m two cases ka m na-aza. Enwe m 2 cases. Ịbụ nwa ma ome mana ị na-aba street today. Ije n'ime na eke ị ga-esi na-eme n'ime. Bifie nwale ama a ga-aja ọsọ taa gị. A ga-akpọpụ gị ike n'ime. Most of you people, enwale ihe ị na-eme, enwe consequences for every action. Most of you people akpọpụgo gị because one of the consequences in the street, but eke ga-emecha elie gị one day. Iji oyibo ụgwọ for one day. Mana ebe nwa ma ome, mfo ụmụ ma ome n'ime. Onwe nke mfo asa akwa ka ọ na-ebe. Mgbe si obodo na-abata, o si Brazil bulie ife bulu nnụnụ bata obodo. Ekelie na alụta mbo, ọ bata n'ime. Ojenyu alfafia, nyucha alfafia, nna nwanne bata n'ime se na-ebesa akwa. Sa nwanne ka efe na-emezin. Sim na-eke eligokwu ya. Na-eke lile na ndị na-echi eche before land ya. Transit ka ọ nọkwa. Sia ka ya na-emen. Ị ga-eje court echi. A ga-akpụlụ gị ị ga-eje court echi. Enwe lawyer inwe osimba. Mkpọli ya phone. Ewutelie lawyer. Nti a na oji number one yes. Ochi na odefuteli. Nwelu phone nye n'ime ala agba ya ọmana na phone na dị n'ime. Nwanne ị ga-esa anwụrụ ọsịm yes na ọ na-esa mmachi anwụrụ. Ọmana na ana onye police na-eje egote anwụrụ na-ewute. The only person that did it. Ala about the guy. So one the cool down in a court. Almost 1 million upon the almost 1 million with a lawyer. I'm asking the guys because from court to the amam na Obakwani Magi near reminder Amanyam bail immediately because Ojila Kobodo. No coach Brazil goes where to order. Manon one more me. If you are pinkless, if you come to the Opatalisi, on den Kochale. Some of you people used to be going to feel going to go giga man. Ta one neighbor ni maangulu ni na poginalo. Yes. If you in Epiabako, Epiabawaya, Elawaya, maybe neighbor go guy one on the road, we get more challenges. Giga money is guy. One the guy man over there for Oyiboga Pipigishi, and 1 year. Ige si anya na window ki ige si na anya na afuzi nwanya na aga lo onwe na window ị na-emezili hi ị ga like ka ekwu ụgwọ ka ị nọlụ na bed side ebe window ka iwe na afọ m nwanya na aga na street mugu ọ bụ na ịwọtala na the life na dị replaceable na mụ na gị dị replaceable ịma na ịmali yi na eme I have guys, I have people shike yo achike na akọ too. When the days will be dark, when the days will be, and when the days got very, very down, and you got either one person or nobody. My guy, one of my guys, will put you on any moon or when one moon. Before now, there's not of the one the guy had dry gun one moon. Nobody seek for him. Nobody seek for you when you are in your down moment. I am in a people not to stigmatization today. People don't want to talk about their past because a lot of people will go leave you because of that. Why is Bish talking about his past? Somebody say Bish before and some people will go and dig out my past and they will find out no man go me before. Nobody want to associate with this type of thing. In the case of government, I take it, just use go do very dark man as a case study. Use that young boy now. I'm watching the boy from a different perspective in Afia. At the end of the day, how many people can have that boy with one person? That one person can Afia. Opulo no only many friends. Opulo no only people. Say. If I young you to the boy before, that thing where you use no very dark man before is not what is defining him now. That thing where you use know me 10 years ago, 15 years, is not what is defining me now. This is how you can change your own story. A lot of things would have held that guy back. A lot of things need to call compromise. People got judged me with my past. We have to say it. If you don't say it, nobody will say it. A lot of people don't have the courage to come out and say these things. A lot of people cannot come out and say these things today. In a problem as a girl, but he keep quiet because you know that you cannot even speak. Even a friend, you cannot even open up and tell. How many people surround you can you tell a good news about you and they will be happy with you? And when one best friend from JS1 till today is still my best friend, one best friend. But then with friends all over the world. But I'm ready to lose all my friends all over the world. Because I'm on a different lane. One day daddy choose you near Kochela, Kine lose friends in Nesa Amolo. Abuni in Eliafia, Nena Pafia, daddy Kusi Pafia, Kige lose friends in Nena Pafia because they will not like you anymore. Abuni Buena Pia some force or everything, Yana quadruple again. Daddy Kusi. Kine lose. You ought to go. This some things. My guy. Yes. Oboni hook up your name about hook up. Hook up your the day you pussy hook up. Kine lose all your hook up your friends. Because nobody wants to transit, and one only don't transit for the change. Everybody wants you to be among, but even when problem has been among, you will be left alone. I'm telling you. You have to be very, very critical about your decision making. You got to be very objective in this life. If not, you can lose your life just rubbishly. You can lose your life. Many people are in a situation today. One day I can this place. One day I'm on a phone. A ghost call. Until you learn how to answer a ghost call, a good liar. A triba escape from a situation. You know, in a gathering like remember ghost call. Now, hello, a pour from there. If you cannot do it, you don't know this life. You will never navigate in this life. Obune no be in a certain like where's that ghost call Oba Wows bo in fact Ibu Mugu. You don't go until the party is over. And I drive and I pop makamaya. Baby, we have a party. I will but that guy in a bad day. Is hey, when are we going? Ecuador go Mugu. You want to go to all the party. You want to go to all the function. Function nini be the go to be for. You never gotten enough of it. Club you be for. The club one day, one man no na no na club. Nene even everybody na zuzu. All about people. Go to club in a day. Thank you for the gift. Jena club one day. One man mo palimana na ka wo balimili. Just nene everybody. Even everybody na zuzu. Now my name is feel na the high. $100. Thank you for the money, God. You have to ask yourself, until you become different in your judgment, that is when you can make it. The majority of the people cannot decide your life. One, thank you for the gift. Thank you for supporting my life. Yes. If you are today now, in on a situation, everything in them agree with you, people in America agree. Babe, I'm where I get it. Baby, put that guy, Diego. People are making decisions for you. Ibu Mugu. People never recognize somebody go recognize their marriage in a marriage. In fact, no regret in the marriage. From the day I name a wedding, best man or young onye best man yana talk off almost all her friends. All by the girl. The best man where we are not got frustrated and that marriage, the best man frustrated the girl till outside the marriage. The decision making, or game what Jiaka game make the decision for yourself. Maya wu for a function, birthday, mbobuna nege mashabi, mashabi. Every time you are available, ibu mugu. Too much availability say sour. Too much need the available. Mukebogi immediately dress her up. JBOs we spend that weekend. Too much available and we be any the issue no ako we go no chelo we guche this guy otokwe no ogudu no chelo this guy of ezbo mmadụ ibe guy but ana poputa gi mgbe na nwanne m na moto na ndị abuputakwe moto convoy anyị na-eje occasion na dress abig na ayeje ego every time emoputa na mmanya ga-ebu that place na ife niile ga-atụ da na kolos ga-abịa na loud everything akpọpụta gị ibu mugu until you get your own decision making, until you feel free among that friendship in a way, that freedom that comes with trust, not something you assume. You cannot live with assumption. I feel that this my friend will be with me in that days. Okay, so hey, all my friends are gossipers. Who born you? Why do you surround yourself with gossipers? Why do all my friends are enemy? They don't like what I do. They are not happy. Why do you surround yourself with people that don't like your progress? And you are complaining. Don't you know that you can isolate yourself? You are scared to isolate yourself from the public. You are very scared to be alone. Some of you people cannot even be alone. If they are allergic to being alone, you cannot be alone. Among sober moment, among time of reflection, you will book about yourself. Where do you jot your dreams down? Keeping a dark about your dreams. Keeping a reflect. How do you reflect on things? Ekayano ni na chiki inwe sober moment, inwe self-reflection. Your friend na ogogi. Na babe na enwe ya na eme na Abuja. Ino east eba moto. Imwajeva Abuja immediately. Gaiman na ewopte moto na ana ati je Enugu na inokwa Lagos una ejebe Enugu. People have already shaped your life for you, but you don't know. Your boyfriend can pick you up anytime and drop you anytime. Ibu emugu. Your girlfriend can tell you what to do, change from this state to state anytime or need the Ibu emugu. Yes. You have to be independently in charge of your opinion, of yourself, before you can give in to people. And don't nobody give in to their own ideas or anything Hannah suggests. That person doesn't want it. Or what, Kwalia? Or what, Kwalia? People will come to visit you for a while, but for a while, they will get tired of you. Nobody wants a liability. Once you become a liability, people will drop you instantly. With your weave on everything, you come with freedom, you come on work, you're not on a wheelchair, you're not on a sick bed. And how many fine girls are on a sick bed? Have you ever gone to UNTH? Have you ever gone to any big hospitals in Nigeria? Have you gone to theaters? Have you gone to people on a comas? Have you gone to prisons? If you go people, mama, if you people, mama, I was opportune to stay with a giant. When a giant, no, Nime prison. Yes, a big boy on your face, if okay. But every day, on a bubu ilwe, obubule ni ilwe amagom no ne bakwa. Obubule ni ilu amagom na akwa ka na ebe. Every time obubule ilu amagom na akwa ka na ebe. Nga na ami. Ngana army blood. Abezie bene plus, abezie ba na outside the fuzie umwanya, and eme go na had happy, and emezi exchange number. Aba na ebidozie video call, aba na ebidozie phone call. A girl onwo gi na phone iwe enyo e go happy, n'ime. That freedom you know, that freedom you take for granted today, it might be the highest thing that you will be praying for tomorrow. Stop being deceived. The crowd of my grand and Anna Popolo get champagne. You go muta and celebrate in our own in our popono. Fuck those because TikTok I bring you on now. Now you will like because you remember I commit you for TikTok which because I want to subscribe now my this can't see I only subscribe na my Kafia, na my TikTok here. Come on and get you subscription. Subscribe on na my TikTok. Iota. Until you go with that you, first of all, you have to be responsible for yourself. A lot of people are on I got to a destination that are helpful for your future. I'm sorry for those people. There are times no nice young women now no come knows can jep yoku iye mekwenem knows or come can jep yoku ina cheba moto ki jep yoku kenye ge iye megi knows you will never amagwagi you will never forgive yourself on that hospital bed baby kebi na ejekwana mgbe ya me I ga na asile people ase a woman money ana akpa si America we na Nigeria money ana akpa no obodo a onye ocha Oluo Nigeria da party today. With all due respect, ENG story kanji akoje and I'm at church. The Tigris. Thank you so much. Nana Nigeria na pulu cause of party today. Wanya ebe fugiopa. That guy in a jefunozo, Yemen ginozo or what can that person understand that not because of him, Kiju Emeru noza. Is he going to be there for you? Thank you so much for the gift. That girl speed. I said it many times. If a guy, a woman will make it now speed. You want to prove your love. You want love. Love are difficult to prove. Love is a body language. Love is the affection, the communication in a young mother, and the things that you can offer. But anytime you're on a speed, When it is not appreciated, you should be able to tell yourself, many of you today, man, are your partner love vlogging, but you still stick there because you don't see anything, any other option. Anye kuchigogi, eli gogi eli. And that is why so many of you people are suffering. And are powerful today because of decision he made 5 years ago. A man, that person, and I'm a wage. Now, mother will ring today is not a